tarot and planetary predictions for Gemini for 2026. We have the Magician card for you. So again, you already have everything that you need. You have the tool set, you also have infinite potential to achieve what you want, and cosmic luck and guidance from the universe and the earth. And you may also feel that for the past few years you were mentally drained and you doubted your own potential. But this year supports communication based careers, and you're going to get out of that shell and take risks, and this is going to help you to get recognition. Geminis who are into media, writing, teaching, marketing, sales and technology will do very well in 2026. The next card we have is Two of Swords. This card shows mental conflict and important decisions and overthinking. You can be on a double-edged sword, because here there can be moments where you are slightly confused and you must choose between two paths. But again, during the Mercury retrograde, which already begins for you from mid of Jan, there will be more emotional honesty that is going to help you sail through this overthinking time. This card also asks you to trust your own inner voice and your intuition, because that will take you in the right path. So because overall this year we also have certain eclipses which are going to heighten your third eye awakening. So clarity comes when you face the truth, not when you escape. Thirdly, we have the Knight of Swords. This card brings speed, action and bold communication. You are going to achieve your goals very fast and your path is going to be right. There can be sudden opportunities that can arrive for you, more travel work-wise, some contractual agreements that you can get into, and relocations are possible. This year for those who are seeking a new job, you are going to get it in and around the first quarter of this year. Words spoken in anger can create conflict, so please act without thinking too much, and success also comes when speed is guided by wisdom. Some of the cosmic alignments that can affect Gemini in 2026, mainly the first is Jupiter in Leo, which is in and around 26th of May. Jupiter activates Gemini's third house, which is for communication, learning, networking and short travel. So you can expect an elevation in your status in your social circle. This third house also affects writing, speaking, people in social media. They can get good visibility, new contracts and collaborations, and you will be more confident in expressing your ideas. This year for Geminis, your voice becomes your biggest asset. We also have Saturn in Pisces almost throughout the year in 2026. Saturn is going to influence your 10th house, which is indicating career and public image. This brings serious responsibilities, pressure to perform consistently, and long-term career restructuring. So remember that shortcuts will fail and effort and discipline is going to succeed. This is a year to build reputation, not chase quick wins. So take it a little slow, and during the Mercury retrograde in and around September to October 2026, since Mercury is your ruling planet, so retrograde is going to affect you deeply. So you have to be very mindful of the communication that you do in your career path and also in your personal life. So avoid impulsiveness, double check documents, and past contacts may return. But again, this is not for reconciliation, it can be toxic. So these periods are for review and not rash decisions. We also have an eclipse impact for you in and around March, August and September 2026. This is going to affect your 4th house positively. So there will be more emotional security coming in, and also the 10th house wherein we are having a positive career direction. There can be sudden career shifts, changes in your living situation, and balancing home and work life will become the key during this timeline. Avoid signing important documents during the Mercury retrograde. Reconnect with old ideas and not new plans. For mental clarity and focus, you can use red aventurine or red carnelian, and also practice daily journaling. So, Gemini for you 2026 is not asking you to think faster, it is asking you to think clearer. So, take a decision and go ahead and take smaller steps.